Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Taylor Swift 2024 Grammys look for a red carpet theme on Dress to Impress. I'm just going to remove everything except for the ones I made adjustments on. I did use one VIP item, but you can go without the skirt if you'd like to. I'm just going to leave the accessories. For the hair, I used these bangs in this color. Scale it to 0.6, use this hair in that same color, position the Z to 0.54, rotated the X to 0.51. Grab this updo, I used this color instead to make it a little bit brighter. For the accessories, I used this necklace in black and white. Grab this necklace in the second toggle in silver. Wait, I think I did white in glitter. And then I did black in glitter for the gem. Then I used this in the same color. I think I then used this in glitter, and then I used this necklace. It's all here, by the way. It's this one, and this one. For the third one, I used this in glitter for both. Positioned the Y and Z to 0.48 and rotated the X to 0.48 as well. For the outfit, I used this skirt in type 3. Colored everything white in matte as well. And then I also used this currency item skirt in the only skirt no layer, colored it white in matte. For the top, I used this top here in the second toggle in white in matte, sorry. I might have done this like back lace in black though. I'll just leave it. Then I also used this in white. Then if you have VIP, I'm just going to use this in all white in matte. And then for the gloves, just use these ones with no fur in black. Then for the shoes, I'm just going to go to the red room here, grab these shoes and turn off these straps and color everything else black. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.